Welcome to another Fun Fact Friday with Mark Law. Did you know about Charlotte E. Ray? Did you know she was born on January 13th, 1850 in New York City? Did you know she was the first black female lawyer in the United States? Did you know she graduated from Howard University School of Law in 1872 at the age of 22? Did you know that it's possible that she applied to Howard University School of Law under the name C.E. Ray instead of Charlotte Ray to disguise her gender so that admissions would not instantly revoke her? Because, big shocker, during the 19th century, women were largely not allowed in the legal profession as lawyers. They were forbidden from obtaining licenses to practice law in many areas and couldn't join the professional associations that allowed them to advance their careers. And this is without factoring in the additional barriers that race created. The 19th century. Slavery, sexism, white supremacy, oppression, exclusion. You know, like today, only a little less modern. But anyway, did you know that she was also the first woman of any race to be admitted to the D.C. bar and the first woman of any race to be admitted to practice before the D.C. Supreme Court? Did you also know that Charlotte went by Charlie? Okay, I'm kidding, but she should have, because she was an angel with it. Said to be eloquent, authoritative, and one of the best lawyers on corporations in the country. Did you know this netted her a better record in the D.C. Supreme Court than the '96 Bulls? Because she won quite a few cases in front of them. One of her landmark cases was representing a woman in abusive relationships seeking a divorce. Sound familiar? Okay, it wasn't Ike and Tina, but still. Did you know that she opened her own law office, advertising in a newspaper run by Frederick Douglass? Did you know that despite all this, she only practiced law for a few years because prejudice against African Americans and women made her business unsustainable? Did you know that she didn't let this keep her down? After this, she moved back to New York, where she became a teacher in Brooklyn, educating and nourishing young black minds, became involved in the women's suffrage movement, viciously advocating for the right to vote, and joined the National Association of Colored Women, whose founding members include Harriet Tubman, Ida B. Wells, and Margaret Washington. And not only that, did you know that her admission as a lawyer was used as a precedent by women in other states who sought admission as a lawyer? White, Black, Latino, Native American, all races. Did you know any of this? Well, now you do. Charlotte E. Ray, the first black female lawyer in the United States, a pioneer for lawyers, a pioneer for women, and the subject of our Fun Fact Friday. Protect your brand, grow your business. Mark Law, Fun Fact Friday.